another here, highlight lang ko, no? Bago ko wag to sa mga main points, no? God have dealt to us the measure of faith. So, naanay tayo lain-laing measure sa atong faith. And God has given us depending on the measure of our faith. And we are reminded also that there is one body with many members, and these many members with different offices, many members with different gifts, many members but nagkalain-laing ta o grasya na gihatag sa Ginoo sa tua. So how we can build this body, no, the body of Christ, and how we can minister to other people. And then also sa atong main na verses, no, sa verse 6 and 7 na gibasa, we are given gifts differing according to God's grace. So sa ato pa, nindot kayong Sunday school paganina, no, ang difference sa to, gift, lahi na ng gift, lahi po ng talent, tama ba? Lahi ng talent, and lahi po na siyang character. Nagkalain-lain din na siyang tulo ka mga butang. And here, no, na ay nagkalain-lain ng mga gasa na gihatag gikan sa ato, naga-different siya according to the grace of God. Una siya, siguro mag